This video is going to show you a common problem on the Chevy Malibus. Common problem with these is that you'll have the left and right front bulbs, which would be these ones here, will go out. And the bulb itself is not bad, rather it's the connection inside the plug. Now we have our two 10 millimeter bolts that we take out. Then we simply lift the light up, flop it on its front, turn counterclockwise, take the cover off, turn the bulb also counterclockwise to take it out. Now, if we can show you here, the filaments on the bulb itself are fine. But if we go over here and turn on the headlights, you can see the bulb on this side works. Let's see if you can see it. But on this side it does not. And the reason for that, if we can look down in here, the plastic on the bulb itself, and we're looking down in this corner, plastic on the bulb itself will melt and cover the metal connection down there, and it will take out your parking light and your turn signal. So basically we're just going to clean that off, put the bulb back in, and it will work. Take an angled pick tool, clean the face of the plug, and then if you can see here on the bulb itself, along this side you can see where the plastic itself melts. That is what goes down in, covers the connection up. You can see on this side how it's slightly bubbled. But that will go down and cover the connection, and it won't allow it to make a solid connection, and it will act like a burned out bulb, even though the bulb itself, you can see the filaments are fine. So with that, plug it back in and it works. Try the turn signal as well. Turn signal itself works too. Shut it out, reassemble, and instead of changing out your bulb, clean that out, and your turn signal should work. It happens on both sides. It just happened to be on my driver's side this time. So follow the disassembly in reverse and put it back together and you're good to go.